Hey everybody, I'm going to go over the blade tech with the, what do they call it, the kit on MOLLE lock today and how to attach it. And if you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe, share with your friends. So all of the blade tech stuff, if you order it with the accessory, it'll come pre-assembled, so you don't have to do anything. You will have to mount the attachment to the holster, to the piece of gear, whatever you're wanting to do. This one is the MOLLE attachment and comes with the quick release here. And in order to disengage, there's these pins. There's one on each side of each of these. And you just push them up. They're under spring tension, and it opens them up. But without releasing this tension, they won't come up. And there's this little bar here that they snap into, and that's what you're lifting up with the these pins. So now that we've got that like that, I'm going to put mine patches. I'm going to put mine for trying out here on my chest. That way, if I'm driving or something like that and I want to put a pistol here, I can just click it in, or if there's another piece of kit I want to put on there, I can do that. So these just slide in here. And I'm just using this to kind of pop out the MOLLE loops. Ugh. All right, so I push them all the way down through, and you just close. And you hear that click? Now it's attached. That is snug. Then you can take this. I don't like it in the vertical orientation that way. I'm right-handed, so I would push on this, and you could set your cant to be able to draw this way. So that was fairly painless. Look at that. And then you could put whatever you attach this to could go there. So I like it. And the Blade Tech stuff is, the legit Blade Tech is head and shoulders better than the Temu garbage. Don't waste your money on these cheapy ones from Temu. They look, at a glance, they look very similar, but the quality is not there. And whenever you put the thing in, they slip, which this one does not. I can't get it. I'm wiggling it around within the MOLLE, but it is not slipping on the teeth. The way this works is these teeth fit into these teeth down here on the quick release. And that's what gives you all of your cant adjustment, and that's what holds it in place. And once you have it locked in the way you like it, there's a switch down here. You push it forwards or backwards, and that locks it. So that way you can't just depress these levers to take it out. So you have to undo this safety and then push this to get whatever, the holster or whatever, out. Hope that helps.